Hi. Hi, Bidet.
Hi, Bidet.
Bidet. Nap. What do you call that? What do you call this? Nose. Very good. This.
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. How about that? This one. This one. What do you call this? Tongue. What do you call this? This one. What do you call that? Eyes. Very good. How about this? Ears. Good. Louder. What do you call this? Hair. Hair. This one. Bidet. You read a book? You read a book? Come on. How do you read a book? You open. Yay! What's that? Bear. Good job.
No, not it.
Bear.
Apple.
Nose to nose tayo na.
It's cooking now. It's cooking.
Careful. Slowly. There. Who's that? My older brother. It's a bear nga. Oo nga naman. Bear nga naman. Ay!